God sent this video to you right now. Don't turn it off. One person just felt that sentence land like a hand on their shoulder. That's you. This is not a coincidence. This is not the algorithm. This is your sign. The moment you opened this, something inside shifted. You felt it. Maybe a chill, maybe a breath you didn't know you were holding, maybe your phone felt heavier in your hand. God / the universe / whatever name you give the force that moves everything. It chose this exact second to put this in front of you. Someone watching is already nodding, eyes wide, thinking, how is this possible? Stay. This is your reading. Breathe in slow. Let it sink. Feel your body relax into the chair or bed or wherever you are. Feel the room get quieter. Feel your own heartbeat slow down just enough to hear the next words clearly. We are not here to talk in circles. We are here because the path is opening and you are standing at the edge of it. Money is moving toward you. Opportunities are lining up. Winds that felt far away are suddenly close enough to touch. This video is the confirmation. God sent it because you are ready to receive. Question we are asking together: why did this video arrive exactly when it did? What is the universe trying to show you right now? What proof is already in the cards that the flow is starting? Deck is in my hands, shuffling slow. Every card is being touched by intention. Every card is speaking to you, the one person who needed this most. 5 cards drawn just for you. First card, past energy that held you back. 5 of Pentacles reversed, cold nights, empty pockets, feeling like money was always on the other side of the glass. You saw people win, you saw money move, but it never seemed to reach you. You worked, you tried, you hoped, and still felt left outside in the snow. But reverse this card tells a different story now. The door is no longer locked. The glass is cracking. The scarcity story is ending. God sent this video to remind you that version of you is over. You survived it. You learned from it. Now the energy is reversing. Second card, what is happening inside you right this moment? Ace of Pentacles. A golden coin is being offered from the clouds straight into your open hand. This is not hope. This is substance. A new beginning with real value. A seed, an opportunity, a notification, an idea that pays, a payment that lands. Something tangible is being placed in front of you right now. You felt it already, maybe a random thought, maybe a gut hit, maybe your phone vibrated when no message came. That was the ace. God is handing you the seed. Your job is to plant it. Third card, what will trigger the next big movement wheel of fortune? The wheel is turning. Cycles change. Fate steps in. What was stuck starts moving. What was slow becomes fast. Luck, karma, destiny. Call it what you want. It is spinning in your favor. The trigger is coming soon. It could be one decision, one click, one conversation, one random event. But when it hits fast. The wheel does not ask permission. It turns. And when it turns for you, everything accelerates. You are on the upswing. God sent this to tell you, get ready, it's spinning. So far, past scarcity reversed to golden seed offered right now to wheel turning fast. The story is clear, the energy is moving. God sent this video because the plot is already written and you are the main character. Early signs, this is really for you. Watch for these in the next days. Phone vibrates or lights up when you think about money. You suddenly remember an old idea and it feels electric. Numbers repeat, 888 1111 555, more than normal. Dreams show cash, coins, notifications, or winning moments. Random refund, tip, or small payment appears out of nowhere. Gut says, check your accounts or look at that app again. Old contact messages you with an opportunity. Feeling of, it's already done, even though nothing visible yet. Synchronicities double, number plus money symbol, same hour. Calm certainty that this is the week or it's starting. If this already feels way too accurate and you want a detailed, personalized tarot reading just for your exact situation, click the link in the description right now. Spots fill fast. Don't miss your chance. Fourth card, incoming money flow, Knight of Pentacles. Steady rider, no flash, no rush, just consistent, reliable movement. Money arrives through work you already set in motion. Payout from content, affiliate link click, small trade win, subscription bump. Knight is slow but sure. Once he starts, he doesn't stop. You already know which app, wallet, or platform this is coming through. God sent this video to confirm it's on the way, it's real, it's yours. Fifth card, outcome and final proof. 10 of Pentacles, empire built, family-level security, long-term wealth, enjoyment of what you earned. Not just one win, a foundation that grows. The 10 shows legacy, money that works for you, stability you can build on, freedom to live how you want. Proof in the full spread. 5 Rev, lack reversed. To Ace, seed given. To Wheel, fate turns. To Knight, steady arrival. To 10, empire secured. God sent this video because the story ends with you winning. This is your reading, full tie-in, past scarcity, reverse to seed planted in your hand right now, to fate wheel spins in your favor, to steady money rides, into empire foundation locked. The universe/God didn't send this video by mistake. It sent it because the path is clear, the timing is now, and you are the one ready to walk it. What this God sent this energy feels like in your daily life right now. Random notification feels like it's meant for you. An old idea suddenly feels electric and urgent. Gut whispers, check that app again, and you find something. Balanced thoughts pop up without fear, just calm knowing. Dreams show money symbols, numbers, or win moments that feel real. Extended shocking signs money is incoming. Watch closely the next days. Phone vibrates or lights up when you think about cash. You think money and an app opens itself or refreshes. Dreams show cash falling, notifications, or winning screens. Repeating numbers hit hard. 888 abundance. 1111 alignment. 555 change. Small unexpected refund, tip, or bonus appears out of nowhere. Gut says today or tomorrow, very clearly. Old forgotten idea, trade, or link suddenly pays off. Feeling of it's already done even before seeing proof. Synchronicities double or triple. Number plus money symbol, same hour. Calm, unshakable peace that this is happening. Vivid dreams about wealth that leave you energized on waking. Notification or app glitch feels like a direct message from above. No desperation or anxiety, only quiet knowing. Universe sends confirmations every few hours, song, number, memory. The actual win arrives the moment you fully detach and trust. Subscribe and drop a comment below. If you want to receive more of this energy, you must be willing to give first. Universe flows both ways. Extended advice to lock this in right now. 1 high leverage action every day. Post content, set up a trade, send 1 outreach message. Parkinson's law. Work expands to fill time, so compress it. No emotional chase, stay cold. Reply short, confident. Universe delivers when you detach. Affirm 3 times per day, morning, night, midday. God sent this video for me, money incoming perfectly. I stay detached, hungry, aligned. Log every sign in Notes app, screenshot numbers, write gut hits. Proof builds belief and momentum. Cold mindset always. Hungry for more, grateful for what you have, proud but never cocky. No fear, no doubt. Innovate fast. Test one new thing daily. AI tool, angle, post style. Detach from outcome. Celebrate tiny wins silently. Even $5 feels big when you log it. Then push harder for 15,000 plus. Not drinking water after 8 p.m. No sugar/unhealthy food. Brush teeth twice. No touching pimples. Keep body clean so mind stays sharp. Affirmation. Say it out loud 3 times. God sent this video to me right now. Money is incoming. I stay detached, hungry, aligned. Everything flows perfectly. So it is. If this hit your soul, like, subscribe, bell on. Comment, God sent this, to claim it. Drop your sign or next focus below. More money, music, manifestation. Thanks for staying till the end. God sent you here for a reason. Use every second wisely. Push harder.